Look, let's just be honest here. Summer can be absolutely brutal on our skin. Between the heavy tanning, that constant stickiness, and feeling like a walking oil factory by noon, it's a real struggle. But today, we're totally turning things around. In this explainer, we are taking 25 disjointed, highly effective summer skincare tips from our source material and transforming them into one ultimate, super budget-friendly, actionable daily schedule. So let's dive right in. Here is our exact roadmap. We'll start with your morning glow checklist, move right into the daily diet and hydration guide, cover daytime sun and skin protection, break down your evening skin recovery routine, and then wrap it all up with the ultimate Sunday grooming reset. The best part? This entire schedule prioritizes incredibly affordable DIY remedies that actually work. All right, Section 1, your morning glow checklist. Start the day right. Now, before you even think about touching a skincare product, our source highlights one absolutely crucial habit. If you want your whole day to feel calm and sorted, you need to get outside between 5 and 6 a.m. Seriously, just 10 minutes of that cool, early morning fresh air does absolute wonders for setting your mood and refreshing your mind way before that harsh sun even comes up. So, what are the actual morning skincare steps? Well, it's a beautifully simple checklist. Step 1, the ice cube facial. Just gently massage an ice cube over your face to tighten those pores and give yourself a natural little lift. Step 2, ditch the expensive toners. Just blend fresh cucumber with cooling rose water, keep it in the fridge, and mist it on. Emphasizing seasonal habits like using cooling rose water to combat the summer heat gives you an instant glow. Finally, Step 3. Always use a non-sticky summer cream so your face doesn't turn into a greasy mess as the day heats out. And building right off that morning cream is, you guessed it, sunscreen. I know, you've heard it a million times, but remember this: the sun silently damages your skin. Avoiding sun damage isn't just about preventing a tan, it's about stopping deep, unseen destruction. And look, let's debunk a massive myth right now. A good sunscreen does not have to be expensive. There are plenty of highly affordable options out there, so cost is no longer an excuse. You absolutely have to apply it every single morning. While you're getting ready in the morning, here's a totally wild fact for you. Did you know that breathing through your mouth can literally ruin your facial structure? Yeah, it's true. Chronic mouth breathing can actually lead to a double chin and droopy eyes, so always make a conscious effort to breathe through your nose. It's a completely free way to keep your jawline looking sharp. Moving on to Section 2, Daily Diet and Hydration Guide, Glow from Within. Because let's face it, there's no expensive cream in the world that can save your skin if you have a terrible diet and you're dehydrated on the inside. True summer radiance really does start from within. Think about it. If you're surviving on spicy junk food and sugary drinks, you are directly fueling breakouts and excess body fat. You've got to actively track what you're consuming. Swap out those bad habits and start basically eating your water. Load up on water-rich foods like watermelon and cucumber, and make sure you track your daily intake to ensure you're getting enough hydration. Sip on some coconut water too. Consistently tracking and maintaining these dietary habits keeps your core temp cool, gives your cheeks this natural pink glow, and is actually fantastic for shedding some of that summer weight. But here is where tracking your intake becomes incredibly vital. We have to talk about the caffeine trap. In the brutal summer heat, drinking multiple strong cups of tea or coffee is just disastrous for your skin. Caffeine literally pulls the water right out of your body, leaving your face looking dry, dull, and completely lifeless. If you absolutely cannot survive without it, you've got to limit yourself to just 1 cup a day. Hydration is literally everything right now. Okay, Section 3. Daytime sun and skin protection. Beating the heat. You've nailed your morning routine. You're tracking your hydration, and now you actually have to navigate that harsh 40-degree daytime heat outside. Here's a massive clothing secret you might not realize. Your skin burns not just from direct sunlight, but from the heat trapped against your body by the wrong fabrics. Wearing tight synthetic clothing in the summer is literally like wrapping yourself in plastic wrap. You need to immediately switch to loose, breathable fabrics. Think cotton or linen. This one simple wardrobe tweak drastically reduces skin irritation and heat exhaustion. To survive the rest of the day, just add these 4 crucial rules to your daily checklist. First, when you walk indoors from that blazing sun, do not wash your face instantly. That sudden temperature drop causes severe redness and irritation. Let your skin cool down first. Second, stop touching your face. Your hands are covered in bacteria. Third, clean your phone screen for the exact same reason. Pressing a dirty screen to your cheek is a one-way ticket to a breakout. And finally,
An amazing, incredibly affordable hack for body odor? Just rub a wet piece of ficari, also known as an alum stone, under your arms. It naturally neutralizes the bacteria that cause the smell. All right, section 4, your evening skin recovery routine. Repair and soothe. Think about it. All day long, the sun, the dirt, and your own sweat have totally exhausted your skin. Nighttime isn't just about washing up quickly, it is absolutely critical for targeted repair and soothing. Let's turn this into an easy evening checklist. Step 1, wash your face. But you must dry it with a separate, clean mini towel or tissue. Using your regular body bath towel just transfers bacteria straight onto your pores. Step 2, address those dark circles from staring at your phone all night. Take a little aloe vera gel and gently massage it under your eyes with your ring finger for exactly 2 minutes. That hydrates that tired skin. And step 3, lock in the moisture with a DIY lip balm. Speaking of that lip balm, the DIY recipe is so simple and incredibly cheap. If tea or harsh market lipsticks have left your lips dull, just mix 1 spoon of Vaseline, a little fresh beetroot juice, and 2 drops of honey. This super affordable remedy creates a smooth paste that will naturally turn your lips soft and pink overnight. It's totally brilliant. But what about your face? If the sun has left you with a heavy tan, seriously, skip the expensive salon treatments. Just mix 1 spoon of curd, some besan, which is gram flour, and a splash of raw milk. Apply this to your face in the evening. It gently exfoliates, strips away the sun damage, and delivers the exact same glow as an expensive facial, right from your own kitchen. Section 5, the ultimate Sunday grooming reset. Total body care. Because daily maintenance is great, but we really need to look at the big picture and schedule a weekly reset. As our source wisely points out, a well-groomed face and body is the truest source of confidence. Sundays are for total body care. Before we get into the fun spa stuff, let me ask you a serious question. When was the last time you washed your pillowcase? If it's been more than a week, brace yourself. A dirty pillowcase collects your overnight sweat, dead skin, and hair oil, turning it into a massive breeding ground for acne-causing bacteria. Changing your pillowcase weekly is step 1 of the Sunday reset. No exceptions. Let's structure out your complete Sunday timeline. In the morning, strip the bed and change those pillowcases. Midday, if the summer heat has left your hair looking dull and damaged, do a quick rinse with rice water. It contains a nutrient called inositol that literally repairs your hair structure. Afternoon, handle the basic hygiene. Set your eyebrows, deep clean your nails, and take care of any hair removal. And finally, in the evening, it's time for the DIY body tanning scrub.
Let's break down that body scrub recipe. Getting a tan in the summer is pretty much inevitable, but just ignoring it is where people go wrong. Mix some coffee, besan, or gram flour and fresh lemon juice into a paste. Apply this twice a week, especially on your hands and neck. The coffee exfoliates, the lemon brightens everything up, and the gram flour cleanses. It will completely strip away the dullness and brighten up your entire body.
As we wrap up this explainer, the absolute most important takeaway from our source material is this. The real glow-up happens when you follow these tips in your daily life. Knowing the facts just isn't enough. Consistency is everything. Track your water, stick to your daily morning and evening checklists, and consistently use these affordable DIY masks. That is literally the only way to genuinely become the best version of yourself this season.
So you've got the blueprint, you've got the daily checklists, the dietary tracking habits, and the weekly schedule. Now I want to know, which part of this newly structured routine are you going to start tonight? Grab that ice cube, mix up that cooling cucumber spray, and take action. Stay confident and stay glowing.